We have Curtis Lever and Dale Tweedy Piper. Have you found that out?
Dale, what are you doing? What's he doing? What's he doing?
Apparently I'm so far up Robert's ass, I needed something to keep close to him, like, apparently.
For a minute then, I thought you was like for a battle.
No chance.
Dale, it's great to have you back on the show. Obviously December 1st. Last time you was out against Dave. This time you're up against Curtis. Do you know anything about Curtis? And what are you going to do on the December 1st to make sure this comes big W your way?
To be honest with you, like I said on Facebook, Steve approached me in the gym and said, I've got a fight for you 1st of December. Obviously I really wanted to be on the show, so I just accepted it. I didn't know it was Curtis. I've known his brothers a long time, so I didn't even really know it was him. So if I actually knew it was him, it might have been a bit more questionable if I wanted to take the fight, because I know his family a lot. So there's no bad blood between us. But yeah, I want to be on the show. My last fight against Dave, I was fucking dreadful. I didn't turn up to the 3rd round, and by then it was far too late. Dave had already pretty much outpointed me in most of the rounds, so, and obviously I didn't get a stoppage, so he took pretty much all 3 rounds in my opinion. So yeah, this time back in the gym, and this time, yeah, coming and fucking throw punches.
Where you said you might have took this fight, you know, maybe give the answer a little bit more thought, whatever. Is that a bit of nerves on your side? I mean, are you a bit nervous about what Curtis brings to the table, or is it the unknown that's the bit we're in?
No, it's not. It's not what he can bring. It's who he is. Like I said, I've known Kane and Ewan for a fucking long time, so I didn't want any sort of animosity between the family and his brothers towards me. Thinking, oh, what are you fighting my brother for? Is there a problem? There ain't no problem between me and him. But no, I'm not doubting what he's bringing. I'm looking forward to it. I really am looking forward to it.
More up his ass than my ass.
Curtis, obviously Curtis been in the ring more times than probably anybody fighting on this card. You know, maybe a couple of people. But do you feel like he's going to trouble you in any way?
He's got a lot of experience behind him, but when you get into the ring, you can't fear anybody. So, see what happens on the night. It's going to be a good fight. And well, I watched his last fight. I've got nothing to fear in there. So, see what happens on the night.
And you've had one fight. Is it one fight now you've had yourself?
Yeah, I've had one fight on the KO show. So,
And how did you get on that?
it was a bit scrappy, but I've put a lot of work in since then. I've improved my actual boxing, so I'm going to bring it. Put a show on instead of a slugfest.
And do you feel obviously you carry power this way? Do you feel you got power to stop Dale, or if it comes, or you're going to go in there and look for the stoppage?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm going to look for a stoppage. Any fight wants to look for a stoppage really, but a lot of it is going to be fitness. I'm very fit now. I've done sports for my whole life, but I do carry a bit of power as well. I'm not very big, but see what happens on the night. Obviously, I'm going to knock him out, but if it happens, it happens.
I know you say you're not worried about what Dale's got to offer, but obviously Dale's got a lot of experience. Do you think his experience is going to end it in a new fight? Or?
A lot of people said that he's got experience, but he fought on this last time, and what happened there, he said he's sloppy on the night, but on the night you don't know what can happen.
I mean, I haven't personally watched your last fight. Obviously, it was my show you fought on. I've heard you're a tough lad and you're good. So tell us a little bit about where you're training now. Obviously, you're training with the KO boys, and are they getting you ready? How often are you training?
I'm training at the Horseshoe at KO lot. I train 3 times a week. Road running two times a week. So.
Well, have you watched his last fight there, or obviously you train all the time down the arena anyway. Do you ever go in the ring looking for stoppage, or because you've had so many fights now, if it comes to you, it comes, do you go in there now to box, and if the stoppage comes, then it comes?
Yeah, I mean, just like anyone was saying, it's the old cliche, we don't get paid for overtime, and everyone would love to win a fight by a stoppage. No, I've never come into boxing trying to just looking to clean people out. I want to learn the technical side of it, and I do like them when they go through rounds and, you turn back and see each round was different. He did this, he did more technical. I do like it. When I dropped Jordan Carter, it felt good. Do you know what I mean? When you do it, it does feel great. But I never come into this scene trying to just think about knocking people out. I wanted to learn the skill of boxing.
Do you feel like obviously you're a lot fitter now, where you've been training so regularly than you have ever been, and do you feel a lot more confident and comfortable going into the ring when you're so fit?
Oh yeah, fitness is a massive key. You know, there's no lies. I've taken fights. You know, we've gone away, and you know, I haven't been training because I wasn't expecting it. And yeah, you just can't expect to do 3 rounds with no training. Some people go so naive and think, oh yeah, I'll do a little bit of this. I'll play football once upon a time. It don't matter. Do you know what I mean? You've got to train solid to get in the ring. But yeah, my fitness is fantastic at the moment. I'm literally done. Alright, I've had a little slip up for the last couple of weeks, but back in training like 3-4 times a week. I love it, and the fitness shows.
One thing I can say about you, obviously, Dale, is I've been with you all over the country, sort of boxing in a few places. You've got a lot of heart now, and you've certainly improved. You can get knocked down once or even twice in a round, and you're straight back up. And you know, it's only the referee that's, you know, as far as I've been aware, that's actually, you know, stopped you.
Yeah, like I said, I've seen, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen Curtis's post, I've seen what people have said about me getting knocked out in the first round. You can tell yourself I've never been actually knocked out. Yeah, I've taken body shots that have wounded me and put me to my knee, and then that's down to the ref's decision if they believe I'm not breathing properly or something like that. But actually being knocked out, that's never happened. Like you said, I have been knocked down. I'm not disappointed in the knockdown. Do you know what I mean? You learn from it, you get back up, you fight again. And I won't go down, I won't stay down until the ref tells me I can't carry on.
So Dave, obviously, you said your last fight was a slugfest. What steps have you taken to make sure you box this time rather than slugging it out?
I've trained a lot better people now. I only trained for about 2 months from the last fight. I've trained since then, since my last fight. So I've trained a lot better people, so I just thought I'm a better boxer now.
So do you feel training with a lot better people is going to help you win this fight?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Okay, guys, we've got 2 determined lads. Oh, question. James got a question for Dale.
I've got a question for Dale. Does it upset you if people underestimate you? Because when like new boxers, novice boxers are looking for a fight, you get asked pretty much immediately. So do you feel that people underestimate you? Does it hurt your feelings?
So 1 second, Dale. So James has asked, does it upset? I'm just obviously for the camera doesn't know. James has asked if Girl gets upset when he's been asked to fight novice fighters.
No, it doesn't upset me. At the end of the day, I love to fight, so it doesn't matter if they've got 1 fight, 20 fights. What does upset me is when people, you know, put their 2 pennants worth in and they've never stepped in this ring. That pisses me off. Apart from that, I can use that as an aggression going into the ring. Thanks for your question, James.
So as James says, do you feel like you're underrated or underestimated?
No, I don't think I'm underestimated.
Everyone knows he's shit.
Yeah, everyone knows he's shit. So maybe that's why I get asked by novices. But no, at the end of the day, I'll be the first to admit that probably my first 10 fights I never trained properly for. And I underestimated boxing. I underestimated boxing, not boxing underestimated me or anyone underestimated me. Yeah, since I put the time in more in the gym and more pad work and sparring with people. Better corner team, apparently. Yeah, no, when I felt like I progressed in a few fights we've been away and stuff like that, yeah, I did progress. So yeah, it does get alright, pissed me off a little bit, but never mind.
So how do you feel when you hear Dale's friends and stuff saying, he feels underestimated, he feels underrated? How does that make you feel? Does that make you feel confident, or does it make you feel you're going to put a lot more into your fight?
Well, I can't underestimate him. At the end of the day, he's had 20 odd. How many fights you got there? 23 fights. I'm not sure what his actual record is, but I'm not going to underestimate him. He's been in a certain long time, so I just bring it on the night, see what happens all night.
So James, obviously you're the main sponsor, one of the main sponsors on the night. So are you still going to be cornering as well, or are you just going to be sat back enjoying?
I might do a bit of both. I've got a corner. I can't let them go out to the ring without me, but there'll be a few drinks in between those fights. I can guarantee that.
Any more questions, guys?
You said he was terrible for the first 10 fights because he didn't train, so what's the excuse for the last 10?
So Alex's question was, he said he didn't train for the last 10 fights, so what's his excuses for the, was it last 10?
Well,
Dale, before you answer, can I ask a chapel question? What was your excuse for that fight against Loveday where you didn't throw more than 2 punches the whole fight?
Still bigger fight you've ever had, so.
Hold it.
yeah, no, look, you know, there are changes.
Fight right away from Dale, yeah?
That's it. At the end of the day, I'll tell you my record, I've got 10 wins, 13 losses. So, you know, there's plenty of wins in there as well. How many wins you had?
5, I mean, that's 6 fights, mate.
Fight more then.
So any newbies that want to get on the next show, they'll be. Let's have a face off, lads.